If you've recently heard about Aveola in 2026, you're probably wondering, is this app actually worth using? Because honestly, there are so many productivity and AI apps launching right now that it's becoming difficult to know which ones are genuinely useful and which ones are just hype. So in this video, I'll give you an honest Aveola review for 2026, including what it does, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. First, what is Aveola? Aveola is an AI-powered app designed to help users with productivity, organization planning, and workflow management, depending on how you use it, and honestly, a big reason people are interested in apps like this right now is because AI tools are becoming part of everyday work and study routines. Now, one thing that stands out immediately is the interface, because honestly, Aveola looks very modern and beginner-friendly. The app feels clean, minimal, and easy to navigate, which is important for productivity apps because complicated layouts usually push people away quickly. Now let's talk about setup, because this matters a lot for beginners. Getting started is relatively simple. You usually create an account, set your preferences, and start organizing tasks or workflows inside the platform. And honestly, the learning curve feels much easier than some older productivity apps. Now, one of the biggest reasons people use Aveola, the AI assistance features, depending on the tools available in your version. The app may help with things like planning, organizing, ideas, task management, or workflow suggestions, and honestly, this is where modern productivity apps are heading in 2026. Now let's talk about performance, because honestly, speed and usability matter a lot. Overall, Aveola feels responsive and smooth for every day use, especially for students, freelancers, creators, and people managing multiple projects. Now another positive thing, cross-device access, because many users want productivity tools that work on phones, tablets, and computers, and honestly, being able to continue your workflow everywhere makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about the downsides, because no app is perfect. One thing some users may notice is that certain advanced features could depend on subscriptions, premium plans, or future updates. And honestly, this is pretty common with modern AI apps now. Another thing is, if you already use platforms like Notion, ClickUp, or other productivity systems, switching everything over might take time. Now another important question. Who is Aveola best for? Honestly, it probably makes the most sense for people who want a modern productivity system, AI-assisted organization, and something simpler than overly complex workspace apps, especially beginners who don't want to spend hours learning advanced systems. Now let's be honest for a second. Productivity apps only work if you actually use them consistently. And honestly, no app magically fixes productivity by itself. But tools that feel simple and organized usually help people stay more consistent. So is Aveola worth it? In 2026, honestly, for many users, especially if you want a cleaner workflow, AI-assisted organization, and an easier productivity experience. But whether it's worth it really depends on your workflow, your budget, and what tools you already use. So, to wrap this up, Aveola is a modern AI-focused productivity app with a clean interface, beginner-friendly setup, and useful organization features. And honestly, for the right type of user, it can absolutely be a useful tool in 2026.